Okay.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and I'm currently joined here today with
Cheska Zanon! Should I say my whole name?
why did you say her whole name?
Cheska!
No, I'm gonna ask her to introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Cheska.
Who are you?
I'm a fashion blogger. My site is called Style Chet, so I think he's gonna put it somewhere
Here?
there.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I've been doing this for like 6 years. So just I'm more into street style and some lifestyle, but I like doing makeup. He knows that. I'm not very good at it.
Yeah. She loves makeup, but she always asks me to do her makeup.
Because I can't even put my own brows together. I think you can, like, if you want, you can, like, our old work is still on my blog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can visit, actually you can visit her blog and you can see everything there.
Yeah.
You'll just see it there. Yeah. So today we're actually going to do a blue smoky eye.
Smoky eye.
Yeah. This is not your typical everyday look. It's more of a look that you're gonna use for when you go parties or when you do photo shoots or OTDs or or your
Maybe
errands look. Yeah, it's her errands look. So without further ado, let's get to it. I said to it.
Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
Okay.
Let's get to it. So first, we're gonna moisturize your face using the Ofra Wonderlush from Kim Tai. This is a collaboration from Kim Tai. I really love this.
Who's Kim Tai?
Kim Tai is another beauty blogger, beauty YouTuber, beauty guru, and this is her collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics, and I love it.
Really nice.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I love it. I love it. Guys, every time you touch your face, make sure you wash your hands.
Trust him, because yeah, my face is breaking out because I like touching it when it's dirty.
Yeah. I always tell her don't touch her face when her hands are dirty, but she doesn't listen.
I don't listen.
So now, while we're waiting for the moisture to seep through the skin, we're going to use a
blue eye color pencil.
Yeah.
or something.
Or something with blue, whatever paint pot or any pot you have for the blue, use it as a base. Just so there's something that your eyeshadow can hold on to.
Like that blue. I used to have that.
Yeah, this is from Sasa though.
Sasa is like Macau Sephora, but
more of a local brand.
More of a local brand. I like those like colors that I don't see every day.
Yeah,
green,
me too.
Pink, blue, red, whatever.
But there are a lot of people that are scared of colors, like putting it on their lips or their lids. They're scared to venture out on other colors.
Yeah, it's kind of like, I understand, like it's not a daily look, but I don't know, it makes me feel really confident when I'm
it brings out the bold in you.
Yeah.
So now we've blended out the base, we're going to use Tom Ford's Color Quad in the shade Cobalt Rush, and this is how it looks like. Cover the thing for you. Here you go. And basically what we're going to use today are the two shades down here. First, we're going to apply this darker shade on the outer rims of the eye. We're now going to put it on the outer V first. And then I'm going to put the next part on the inner lid. Like so. Like so. Then we're gonna just blend it out. What we're gonna use now is the second one. We're just gonna pat it with the color that we had placed on the lid, just for a touch of brightness.
Love color blue.
I know. Blue is not my favorite, but with eyeshadow or lips, I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
And now I'm gonna take the Morphe E27 and blend it out on the upper lid. And then we're going to reapply again what we blended out for the opacity that you want to achieve.
So I brought 3 outfits. One to match the eyeshadow, one to contrast the eyeshadow so it's pink. And the last one is like, oh, I wanna be a mermaid.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be a mermaid.
I was so happy. Remember when you brought up that secret?
Yeah, you can see that post on Snapchat.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm plugging myself.
Shameless plug right
Shameless
there.
plug on someone else's blog.
Okay, wait. So now I'm gonna use the Submarine blue eyeshadow from MAC.
It's a really nice blue.
It's a really nice blue, right? And now we're gonna pat it on the center of the lid.
I can already tell it's gonna be a really good look.
Thank you so much.
But you've never let me down. He has put makeup for me since we've met. Okay?
Since we knew makeup.
Yeah, so he really, really likes makeup. And then he'd be like, Chet, let me put your makeup. I'm like, okay. You put my makeup for my wedding as well, which is really nice. And for some events that we go to, he put my makeup.
Okay, so now we're going to use this shade of the highlight shade from the palette. And then we're just gonna smother it in the middle of the lid. And then blend out the edges with the original blue that you had. Can you show them? There we go. And now I'm gonna apply lashes, the Taiwan lashes, if you guys don't know. And I have it in this style M13.
I love false lashes.
Who doesn't?
Why do you like false lashes?
It makes a difference.
Yeah, it does. I cannot do this level of color on my eye, no matter how much I don't know how. Because I know you have to have a base first. And then I don't know.
Well, that's why you're gonna watch this video again when you go.
You know what?
Yeah. So I'm just gonna clean off the mess that we did down there and then apply a bit of lash, and we'll be back with both eyes done. So now we did the eyes off cam. I applied lashes, as you can see. And now we're gonna do the base.
Base.
Okay.
Why is someone laughing?
Okay, now I'm gonna apply a primer. I'm using Maybelline's Baby Skin Primer. I mean, she has a pretty sensitive skin, so you do, right?
Yeah, I do. I get breakouts a lot, like very quickly.
So now we're gonna apply foundation, and I'm using a mixture of MAC Studio Fix and NARS Sheer Glow. I actually forgot what shade this is, and I put it in this disposable bottle because the bottle broke. So yeah. Ah, see. Okay, and now we're gonna apply it to the most parts of her face.
Okay.
And now let's pounce.
You're doing that a bit strong.
I know.
Like I'm feeling that you're enjoying this.
Don't you love it?
No. He's having too much fun pounding my face right now.
I love it.
Mm.
And now we're gonna use Maybelline's Fit Me, my favorite. Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. Before everything creases, we're gonna set it with a loose powder. I mean, I feel like people are gonna get sick hearing this all over again. And this is my holy grail powder, the Nichido powder. And we're gonna bake.
I look like your worst nightmare.
Okay.
I look like your worst nightmare. If you see this in your bed at night, be afraid.
So I'm gonna do her brows off cam and I'm gonna be back. Okay, and so now we're gonna contour. Yes, but before contouring, we are gonna bronze her face first. I'm using the Dulce de Leche again from Wet n Wild. We're gonna dust it on the forehead. Let's talk about your blog.
Okay.
So what do you do on your blog?
Well, basically, it's a visual blog, so it's more on photos.
What
It's
can they
mostly
see?
street style because I'm really into streetwear, and I think it's very important because I'm quite not slim. I cater to the mid-range market, like 12 to size UK 12 to 14. No, basically, like I like sexy clothes. I like clothes that are not pretty, but I like it on my body type. So some people like it, some people think I'm too fat to do street style, but it's fine. Who cares?
Yeah, in this world, who cares?
Yeah, I mean, I do go to the gym, but it's just to maintain my health,
Mhm.
not to get slim. I don't mind.
Just to build your stamina.
Yeah. I do some lifestyle, I do some makeup looks with him. This is like my third one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, and now we're gonna use NARS Laguna, another Colteo line contour.
Contour.
And don't go overboard with your contour because it's better to add than to subtract. And now we're gonna contour the nose with my favorite Intuit powder. The lightest one, and Eureka, if you remember, the most multifunctional
Functional.
palette. Yeah, I'm using this shade.
I can put this on my blog, right?
Of
Yeah,
course.
make a video. So now for the blush.
Now for the blush, I'm using MAC Dolly Wing. As you can see, I hit and yeah,
And
and on the blush. And then we're just gonna blend it again with the bronzer that we put.
so much blending.
And now we're gonna put Wet n Wild's Mega Glow highlighting powder.
My favorite part. I just want to shine bright like it. I really like highlighting, I swear.
Oh,
No, I really do. Out of all the parts of the makeup.
this is your favorite part.
Okay,
I'm
what
putting
should
on
we
the
put?
second one. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
putting the second one, the ball.
Did you put highlighter?
I did. This is my second highlighter.
No, I mean on yourself.
No, I don't. Only on the tip of my nose.
He has a very specific way of putting makeup actually. Sometimes it's fun.
Yeah. I'll do a video on. Comment down below, guys, if you want to see me do my everyday makeup routine, like on myself. Because it's not a lot. It's so easy.
His easy is like, you know, in like difficulty levels, and there's like easy, normal. His is like very difficult, grounded.
No, it's not.
But he was like, you should put blush on this part of your face and your nose. And I'm like, I did that. And I'm like, what the f is happening?
So this is my favorite. It's the collaboration from ColourPop with I Love Sarai in the shade 951. This is my favorite shade of nude. It's like a mauvish,
Brownish.
brownish,
Nude-ish.
all the ish in the world
Nudish.
ish. Yeah, like a fish, like that. Kidding.
What's
Ew,
with
what
fish?
is? I don't know, right?
What is with you and fish?
What is with me and fishes? Okay. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look, and yeah, what do you think?
Can you see? Can you see it matches my sequins? Yeah, so this is the outfit.
Yes, you can see the fit, the whole fit on her blog
On my blog, it will be linked, I think.
down below. Yeah.
It will be linked there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the jacket he was talking about.
This is
And I'm wearing my earrings from Cheap Monday.
yeah.
Yeah, so what do you think though?
I love it.
I love it too. I've never looked this pretty.
She loves the foundation.
I love the foundation.
I mixed NARS Sheer Glow and MAC Studio Fix.
I'm gonna buy it. Maybe. I might buy that foundation. It's really
It is. I love that foundation. I mixed NARS Sheer Glow and MAC Studio Fix fluid.
yeah.
Both combination, the bomb. I swear.
Dada.
So guys, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful and
If you want to look like this, like mermaid Navi creature.
What she dreams of being.
Yeah, I want to be a mermaid Navi creature.
Yeah, they call her a mermaid. Yeah. So guys, comment down below what you think we should do next, or I should do next on the next video. And
if you want to see me again, comment down below as well. No. Yar. I know. Stop!
So we're gonna do a lot of collabs, okay, of course. And we're gonna do one with your sister, right?
Oh yeah.
Another blogger.
Sister.
Another blogger and another YouTuber.
Don't make it prettier than mine.
Okay, I'm gonna ruin her makeup.
Yeah, ruin it!
I'm gonna do a bad makeup day for
Oh
her.
my god, if she's watching this.
Kate, if you're watching this, it's just a joke.
Yeah, he's not gonna ruin it because I'm afraid of you.
Yeah. So guys, before you leave, please check out my previous videos on
Check
some
them out.
looks. Yeah. And yeah, don't forget to hit
The like button.
the like button if you like this video. And comment down below.
Comment
What-
anything you want.
Yeah, if you like this look. What do you think
Yeah.
about this look? What do you think about the looks that we did so far?
Should
This
I
many?
comment down below as well?
You can, of course.
I should comment.
The comment section is free for anyone. So, hey. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can
watch all his new videos. All new people, all new makeup.
yes. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.
Bye!
Bye-bye! Be into it.
Into it. So this is a